Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video I will teach you step by step how to add a signature to your emails on Gmail. It is super simple, so let me show you how it's done really quickly. In the first step, head over to your inbox on Gmail and click on Compose here in the top left corner to start a new email. Next, enter the recipient's email address here, a subject for the email below, and below that type in your email text like, I don't know, hey, what's up? And what you want to do next, guys, is add a signature to the end of your email, and this is how you can do it. To do that, click on that pencil icon here at the bottom and select Manage Signatures from that drop-down menu. That will take you to your Gmail account's settings. Here, scroll down till you get to that section here, Signatures. Click on Create New to create a new signature. Give it a name like Simple Step Guide because that's the channel's name. Just like that, click on Create here. And what you want to do next, guys, is add your signature here to the right, a handwritten one, for example. You can do that by uploading your handwritten signature by clicking on that button, Insert Image, and by locating your signature in JPEG or PNG format on your computer or on Google Drive. Alternatively, guys, you can draw your signature also online free of charge by using signature drawing tools like that one here, Signately. Simply use your mouse to draw your signature. So let me do that really quickly. Simple step guide, just like that. Next, click on Download e-signature, and on the next page, click on Download signature. Head over to Google Drive and upload your signature in JPEG or PNG format by clicking on that plus new icon or button in the top left corner, and by selecting File Upload. Wait for a moment, and there you go. As you can see, your signature has been added to your library on Google Drive. Head back to your settings on Gmail, click on Insert Image here. After that, locate your signature on your Google Drive and confirm by clicking on Insert here in the bottom right corner to add your signature to your Gmail account. You can customize your signature, for example, change its alignment if needed. And once you're content with your signature, scroll down to the very bottom of your Gmail account settings and click on that Save Changes button here. And last but not least, continue typing your email, and once you have finished doing that, add your signature again by clicking on that pencil icon, but this time by selecting your newly created signature, in this case your Simple Step Guide. Just like that, as you can see, my signature has been added to my email. I can push it further down by pressing Enter, for example, if I need more space for more text. And that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.